The team of ICT experts assigned by the court to scrutinize IEBC servers and technology used in the presidential election reports that the IEBC only partially complied with all orders issued. The report says IEBC was unwilling to provide configurations of internal and external firewalls, saying it would compromise the security of their systems. The IEBC only disclosed the number of servers in their exclusive possession and information on their operating system.
There are some things that are beyond the orders that were given by the court, but even those that are beyond, bearing in mind the concerns about the integrity, we want to accommodate them by giving them access.
We are not going beyond the orders of the court. We are very conscious of what those orders of the court were, and we are quite happy with the orders the court had made.
NASA claims in their petition to annul the presidential election results that technology test reports were not certified as required by the Election Technology Regulation 10 of 2017. The team of IT experts designated by the Supreme Court agrees. In their report, the team states that documents submitted by IEBC during scrutiny were not certified. The IEBC was also required to provide specific locations of each of the KIEMS kit used during the presidential election for the period between and including the 5th of August and the 11th of August. The report notes, however, that the IEBC only gave GPS locations for the polling stations and not for the kits. Information on kits procured but not used was also not comprehensive. The IEBC also provided soft copies of the trail of users who logged into their servers and equipment, but the independent team of experts say the Commission should have demonstrated that these logs came from them by allowing all parties read-only access to the server with the ability to copy the logs. The team reports that the IEBC only granted them live access at about 3:50 p.m. without the ability to access the logs or even copy them. A report by Supreme Court Registrar Esther Nyakiaki upon a scrutiny of the Forms 34A, B and C used in the presidential election points out a number of issues of concern. The registrar notes that during scrutiny of the forms, certain Forms 34A appeared to have been duplicated, certain Forms 34A and B appeared to be carbon copies, while others appeared to have been photocopied. She also notes that some forms had no evidence of being stamped or signed. During scrutiny of Form 34C, NASA agents noted, which she highlights, that the form had no security features, watermarks and serialization, and it looked like a photocopy. On Forms 34B, only 236 had watermarks, 56 forms didn't. 5 forms were not signed by the returning officer, 31 did not have serial numbers. The team also sampled a total of 4,120 Forms 34A from 5 counties and found some of them were carbon copies, while other original forms did not bear the IEBC stamps. What the judges will make of this and other documents and the arguments, counter-arguments made in the 2 days of hearings will be known Friday when the bench delivers a ruling. Sheila Sendeo, NTV.